Alright everyone, so I figured I would just fart around with this Ford Fusion a little bit and let me show you what I got. So I'm in control of the blend door actuator and I can tell this thing to go cold. She only wants to blow 70 degrees. So, but I'm in control of it now, so that tells me the climate controller is bad. So I can go to hot right now. Should switch all by itself. Hot. Oh, maybe it won't let you do that, so warm. Let's go back to cold. So there we go. So I can gain control over the climate controller and the temperature blend door, but there's obviously a problem with the climate controller. Thanks for watching.